Hi everyone, it's after midnight, so I gotta be a little bit quiet, but I just wanted to film this before I go to bed tonight. I've always thought it's pretty important to understand the tools that you're using, and in this new age of agentic programming, I think a lot of these agentic programmers like ClaudeCode, OpenCode, GeminiCli, Codex, they can feel like these really intimidating black boxes, and I wanted to show you real quick how easy it is to make one of these, and to show you that it doesn't have to be that intimidating. So in here, I'll show you this really simple interface that I've got. Honestly, the hardest part about doing this is dealing with multi-line input and making sure that the cursor is working. And then we've got multiple layers for the renderer and having overlays and toast notifications. That part is so much more involved than the actual AI agent. So, like, if I bring up our file picker here, let's add one of these files as context. So we'll attach a file and we'll just ask the agent, what is it? So it's going to add that file as context. It's going to be a message that's just attached after our system message, sends it out to the AI, and then we get that streamed response. If we want to do something like what other files are in that same directory, it's going to have knowledge about some of these available tools. So in order to make this AI agent, I've only got 3 tools in there. I've got list files, read file, write file. And with those 3 tools, you've built yourself an AI agent. You can do any of this stuff. You just run it in a loop. You ask a question, it'll give you answers. It's aware of the tools. It will optionally invoke these tools. It takes those results, feeds that in as context, and it'll keep doing that loop until it decides to stop. And really, in the end, this is all an agentic programmer is it's just sending out HTTP requests in a loop. In this specific one, we're doing it asynchronously because we're using the React PHP event loop, which I've spoken about before. But, like, it's nothing more than that. There's nothing special about it. But anyways, if you'd like to see a series on how to build this so that you've got an agentic programmer inside of your code base that's written in pure PHP, like, comment, subscribe, share, do all those things. And I can make some extra content. But anyways, that's all I wanted to show you. Talk to you soon. Oh yeah, forgot to mention, we've got / commands too.